2020年，一架塞斯纳飞机的飞行员在飞行途中睡着了，飞机已经飞越目的地110公里，地面空管不停地呼叫飞行员，但是都没有得到回复。空管怀疑飞行员已经失去行动能力，于是请求刚刚起飞的一趟航班前去观察情况。以下是航班与空管的对话音频。
425, it's got an aircraft, a caravan overhead red cliff flight level 110 who's meant to be landing there. He's come from Cairns. We can't raise him. Just wondering, have you got time to just pop over and have a quick look or not?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
425, okay, thanks. I'll just get you totally wide up him. We're not sure what he's doing. He's at flight level 110, so, and he's currently now heading towards Woody Point. If you could turn left heading 320, thanks.
That's 320, flight level 425.
425, that aircraft now just over Woody Point, heading southeast at flight level 110, report if you're sighting.
Thanks, we'll go looking, flight level 425. Approach flight level 425, I think I've got him sighted.
Flight level 425, Roger, if you could just track to come in behind him there, and I'll just stand by him.
Okay.
Flight level 425, he's still heading on that southeasterly direction. You can turn left as required to follow and climb to 10,000.
Left to follow, climbing 10,000, flight level 425. He appears to be going over the docks at the moment.
Yeah, he's just heading southeast. It may be pointless you chasing, but anyhow, I'll just stand by. I'm just getting some other information.
Okay.
Flight 425, the supervisor down here would like, if you've got time to just see if you can see anything in that aircraft, and just not sure about the level you'd like to go to have a look if you've got the time to do it.
We seem to be getting on him at the moment. I'll let you know shortly. Flight level 425.
Flight level 425, okay, you've got about 60 knots on him there. It's about 3 miles ahead, and if you're happy to, you can climb to a higher level, but just let us know, because I've got no standard there if you do.
Welcome. Flight level 425. And approach flight level 425 request. Flight level 110.
Flight level 425, climb as required there to flight level 110, maintain your own separation from that traffic.
Flight level 110, own separation from the 425. Caravan appeared to be turning to the left, however now he's turning back to the right again, still maintaining flight level 110.
Flight level 425, thanks. You can't see any movement in the aircraft.
I'm just trying to go a little closer without spooking him. Is there any frequency he was last reported on?
We've tried all the frequencies that they were on, but just stand by. Flight 425, it was 123.0 was the last time he spoke.
Thanks, good one. Flight level 425. The caravan appears to be watching me somewhat, because if I turn towards him, he's turning to the left, however not responding to my wagging my wings at all.
Flight 425, Roger, thanks. So there does appear to be some sort of action in there.
Negative. He seems to be, I can't identify himself, however if I turn towards him, he appears to be turning to the left. So he must be watching me, but not responding to my wagging my wings or my wheels dropping at all.
Good. Flight 425, thanks for that. And could you try 1230, which is his last known frequency, just say oxygen. Flight 425, thank you for that. And the JRCC, if you can, would like you to stay with him for as long as you can, and be trying to task someone else to get out there.
Okay, flight 425.
Flight 425, how long can you stay with him?
At the moment I can stay with him a fair while. I'll get back to you with that fuel figure shortly.
Okay, no worries, thanks.
Estimates based on Delta Quebec's departure and endurance is a 1 hour of endurance from around now, so approximately 0830.
It appears to be turning to the left, just following a little bit longer. Could you just verify that on the radar?
Flight 425, in the last 30 seconds I haven't picked up a turn.
Thanks, pilot 420.
And flight 425, and when you're able, if you're able to advise how long and if you're able to stay along in.
Thanks. I should be able to stay another 10 minutes or so, flight 425.
Flight 425, it appears we've got him on another frequency standby.
Okay.
And flight 425, so just be aware that he may make some movements there now.
Thanks, I'm watching.
We're just giving him a traffic alert on you. Flight 425, safety alert, traffic information, Delta Quebec Papa, just pilot responding now, so may make some sudden movement.
Thank you, flight 425.
Flight 425, he's going to call me shortly. I'll just check his endurance and his intentions, and if it's all good, we'll be able to let you get some separation between you.
Thank you, sir, pilot 425.
Delta Quebec Papa approach.
Brisbane Centre, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, Delta Quebec Papa, Centre.
Delta Quebec Papa, I got you 4 to 5 now.
Okay, Delta Quebec Papa, you're now with Gold Coast approach. Do you have a remaining endurance time, and how are you feeling?
Delta Quebec Papa, standby 1, I'm feeling fine, and standby on an estimate.
Delta Quebec Papa, I'm going to start turning you back towards land, turn right heading 240.
Right heading 240, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, do you have a endurance remaining fuel time?
Delta Quebec Papa, standby 1.
Delta Quebec Papa, turn right heading 270, I'm pointing you at Gold Coast Airport.
Right heading 270, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, Gold Coast is the current closest airfield. Would you like to land at the Gold Coast?
Delta Quebec Papa, standby 1.
Delta Quebec Papa, have you checked your remaining fuel?
Delta Quebec Papa, we have about 1 hour 10 minutes of fuel remaining.
Delta Quebec Papa, roger. And would you like to land at the Gold Coast? There is a tower active.
Delta Quebec Papa, negative. I have endurance to continue to Redcliffe.
Delta Quebec Papa, Redcliffe is a bearing of 316 degrees and 77.5 miles. That's about 30 minutes flight time.
Delta Quebec Papa, that's fine. I have the endurance for that.
Delta Quebec Papa, turn right heading up 320, correction 310.
Right heading 310, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, would prefer if you're able to land at the Gold Coast. If I bring you in to the Gold Coast, would you prefer a visual approach or an instrument approach?
Delta Quebec Papa, I'd prefer to continue to Redcliffe.
Delta Quebec Papa, you've been off radio for quite a while and you don't sound that great to us on the radio at the moment, so we'd really prefer if you were to land at the Gold Coast now, especially given your remaining fuel.
Delta Quebec Papa, understood. Yes, standby 1.
Delta Quebec Papa, we need you to land at an aerodrome that has emergency services, just as a precaution. Gold Coast is the closest, the lights are on. Runway 32 is the current runway. I'm going to turn you to the south now to position you for approach for the Gold Coast.
Delta Quebec Papa, understood.
Delta Quebec Papa, turn left heading 160.
Left heading 160, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, position is 15 miles southeast of the Gold Coast. Just taking you through final to the west, then I'll turn you further to the east to follow up final.
Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, descend to 3,000 and if you're able to switch on your landing lights.
3,000, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, 13 track miles to run.
Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, descend to 2,500.
2,500, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, the tower does have you in sight. The airfield now is your left, 11 o'clock at 10 miles. You should see the Pappy soon and you'll be on final in just over 1 minute.
Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, do you have the airfield in sight now? You're left, 11 o'clock at 10 miles.
Delta Quebec Papa, negative.
Delta Quebec Papa, the aerodrome beacon is on and there will be fire tender vehicles in front of the tower with flashing lights.
Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, and just hear a few alerts in your aircraft there. If you could just check your speed and everything's all good.
We're fine, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa. The aerodrome, you're 12 o'clock at 7 miles.
Yeah, I have it in sight now, Delta Quebec Papa.
Quebec Papa, resume our navigation, join final runway 32.
Alright, now final runway 32, Delta Quebec Papa.
Quebec Papa, when established on the Pappies, cleared visual approach runway 32. Report established on the Pappies.
Cleared visual approach runway 32, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, just confirm that you are established on the Pappies.
Affirmative, Delta Quebec Papa.
Delta Quebec Papa, remain this frequency and if you can commence descent to landing.
Delta Quebec Papa, we're on the way down.
Delta Quebec Papa, runway 32, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, Delta Quebec Papa.
Flight 425, the tower has reported that he has landed and thanks a lot for your help tonight.
No problem at all, sir.